Have you ever wondered what's beyond the sky? The answer is our amazing solar system. This is where we live, not just on our beautiful planet Earth, but within this incredible cosmic neighborhood. The solar system is like a bustling city in space. At the heart of this city is the sun, a brilliant star that lights up our days and powers life on Earth. The sun isn't alone though. Orbiting around it, like children playing a game of tag, are 8 planets. Can you name them? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each one of these planets is unique, just like each of us. And just as we are part of a family, a community, or a school, Earth is part of this grand solar system, our home in the vast universe. So remember, the solar system is our home in space, made up of the sun and 8 planets. Now imagine we are on a space journey, visiting each planet one by one. First stop, Mercury. It's the smallest planet and closest to the sun, like a little brother in our solar family. But don't let its size fool you. It's got a big heart of iron. Next up is Venus, our second stop. Venus is the hottest planet. It's even hotter than Mercury, even though it's further from the sun. How's that for a surprise? Now we come back home to Earth. This is where we live, learn, and love. From its blue oceans to its green forests, there's no place like home. Moving on, we find Mars, the red and dusty planet. It's like the desert of the solar system, with sandstorms that can last for months. And then we have Jupiter, the biggest planet of them all. It's so big, you could fit over 1,000 Earths inside it. After Jupiter, we meet Saturn, with its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. It's like a giant hula hoop in space. Next we have Uranus, the planet that spins on its side. It's like it's always doing a cartwheel. And finally we reach Neptune, the furthest planet from the sun. It's so far away it takes almost 200 years to go around the sun once. Each planet is unique, just like each one of us. Wow, what an adventure through the solar system. Let's take a moment to remember all the fun facts we've learned. Our solar system, our cozy little neighborhood in the vast expanse of space, is home to the brilliant sun and 8 unique planets. Each one of these planets is special in its own way. How exciting is that? Next time you look up at the sky, remember the amazing solar system that's out there, with our Earth right in the middle of it all.